Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to completely uninstall Epic Game Launcher from Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and type settings and click on the settings. In settings, find apps, click on the apps. In apps, we find our all install apps. From this all install apps, find Epic Game Launcher and Epic Online Service. First, uninstall Epic Game Launcher. Click at here. Click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. It takes few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Click on the yes. Click on the yes. And Epic Game Online Service is also uninstalled. Two softwares is also uninstalled from the our app list. There is no Epic. So that's all. Our Epic Game Launcher is perfectly or completely uninstalled from our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.